Hello, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to take a look at 5 fascinating and unique facts about 5 beautiful countries: Portugal, Spain, Italy, Malta, and Greece. Let's get started. Portugal. Portugal is home to one of the oldest universities in Europe, the University of Coimbra, which was founded in 1290 and is still in operation today. Portugal has a strong maritime tradition, and its sailors were the first to circumnavigate the globe in 1519 to 1522 with explorers like Vasco da Gama and Ferdinand Magellan. The Portuguese language is spoken by over 260 million people worldwide, making it the 6th most spoken language in the world. Portugal is the world's leading producer of cork, with over half of the world's cork supply coming from the country's cork oak forests. Spain. Spain is home to the oldest restaurant in the world, Botan, which was established in Madrid in 1725 and has been in continuous operation ever since. Spain is the world's largest producer of olive oil, with over 1.5 million tons produced annually. Spain is known for its flamenco music and dance, which originated in Andalusia in the 18th century. Spain is home to some of the world's most famous artists, including Pablo Picasso, Salvador Dali, and Joan Miró. The Spanish language is the 2nd most spoken language in the world, with over 500 million people speaking it as their first or second language. Italy. Italy has more UNESCO World Heritage Sites than any other country in the world, with over 50 sites recognized for their cultural and historical significance. Italy is the birthplace of the Renaissance, a period of artistic and intellectual flourishing that began in the 14th century and had a profound impact on European culture. Italian cuisine is beloved around the world, with dishes such as pizza, pasta, and gelato originating in the country and becoming international staples. Italy is the birthplace of pizza, with the first pizzeria, Antica Pizzeria Portalba, opening in Naples in 1738. Italy is known for its rich musical heritage, with famous composers such as Verdi, Puccini, and Vivaldi hailing from the country. Malta. Malta is one of the smallest countries in the world, with an area of just 316 square kilometers. Malta has a long and fascinating history, with evidence of human habitation dating back over 7,000 years. Malta's capital city, Valletta, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and was named the European Capital of Culture in 2018. Malta is also home to the famous prehistoric temples of Hagar Kim and Najdra, which are some of the oldest freestanding structures in the world, dating back to 3600 to 3200 BC. Malta has a rich history of filmmaking, with the island being used as a location for films like Gladiator, Troy, and Game of Thrones. Greece. Greece is known as the birthplace of democracy, with the concept originating in the ancient Greek city-state of Athens in the 5th century BC. Greece is home to one of the oldest civilizations in the world, with a history spanning over 5,000 years. The country was the birthplace of Western civilization, and its ancient civilization had a significant influence on the development of art, architecture, philosophy, science, and politics. The Greek alphabet, which has 24 letters, is one of the oldest and most widely used alphabets in the world. It is the precursor to the Latin alphabet used in English. The Olympic Games, which originated in ancient Greece, were revived in Athens in 1896 and have been held every 4 years since then. The ancient Greeks held the games to honor Zeus, the king of the gods. Greece is credited with the discovery of theater. Greek theater had a significant influence on the development of drama and literature, and many of the plays written by famous Greek playwrights such as Sophocles, Aristophanes, and Euripides are still performed and studied today. Greece is known for its ancient philosophers such as Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, who made significant contributions to Western philosophy and ethics. Yeah. And there you have it, 5 fascinating and unique facts about Portugal, Spain, Italy, Malta, and Greece. Which one you liked the most? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for interesting content. Thanks for watching.